All right, guys. So today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this whole kitchen down. I have some custom built ones, real quality, real. It's going to be a real quality, real countertop. Everything's efficient. I just want to show you guys what. Look at this. The last people, they didn't even mount the countertop onto the island. Like, look, guys, this is crazy. Luckily, the backyard again is here. So I'm going to show you guys just the before and after. What's up, guys? Know the logo, respect the logo. That's all I'm asking. Is that too much to ask for? So this was the homeowner's brother right here. This guy was a big help. Like, I ain't even need no help, but he just started helping me and he actually knew stuff. I just want to say shout out to this good man right here. These are so easy to install. Oh my God. Oh, you did that? Yeah. Can I shake your hand? You do the bummer?
Just keep on holding tight. I'll help you win this fight.
This is Stan the Man, the best electrician in Delaware.
Why is this guy recording me?
What he's doing is he's running the line for the microwave that's going to be put right above him. And he's also going to be installing those recessed lighting on the ceiling. But I'll do the one above the sink. Oh, there you go. Look at the gap close. Look at the gap close and the gap close, bro. There we go. There we go now. Come, let them look like this. Let them hold that on the flush like that. Everything gotta be flush. You know something real quick. This is how you make sure you know you did a great job. You go off of these, and now it should touch right before the face frame on this one. Now go up under it, bro, and show them that line where the face frame meets the cabinet. That means my measurements are exact. I've never seen anything like it. Step by step, oh my. Can I tell you, oh my? Can I tell you, oh my? Can I tell you, oh my? Backyard building 10 toes. Put some respect on the backyard. Backyard builder's name. Square, whoa there. Uh-oh. Square, whoa there. We almost there, guys. I'm just trying to finish up everything. Put the light, got the new lighting in, the recessed lights. Feel me? About to add the face frame, finish the face frame. Probably 2 more days. Put the vanity on, get the concrete set, hit the backsplash. I'm probably like a week more in the work. But let me hurry up and put that face frame on. This is the face frame for y'all who don't know. I just want to show y'all something real quick. This is how you make sure it's just like it's nice and straight, same width all the way through. You shouldn't see no spaces. Do y'all see that right there? And then we're gonna go in this direction. I'm gonna go across this whole thing. Hold on. From the face frame all the way on. Look at that. Look at that. Then we're gonna go across all the way to there. Boom. No wobble. This is perfect. So I already put together the crown molding. I'm about to get this face frames done all the way around this corner. So far it's almost done, but I'm about to go ahead and slap the face frame. The crown molding, just like that one right there. See, we got that cut like that. So we cut this up on an angle. And we're gonna slide that right up in there. So, and then it's gonna be perfect. Nobody in Delaware is on my type time. I swear to you. I can promise you. I can be real with you that nobody in Delaware is on my type time. And I would consider myself to be an honest man. I would consider myself not to be a liar. I'm gluing, screwing, and nailing. Whoever try to take this apart ain't prevailing.
Sounds like wood for me. Time to concrete. Top wood.
After she did all these things, I kept telling her to return to me.
Somebody call the police because we got one.
And Judah kept
I'm about to show y'all like how to get the layout for the sink. So, matter of fact, I'm about to give y'all the whole rundown real quick. We want to get the sink exactly halfway in the window, halfway. So what I did was I measured halfway. This was like 18 3/4, so I got whatever it was. I put it right there. Then you're gonna get your speed square, boom. Put it on that line you made, push it up to the wall, boom. Measure from that, make that mark down to there. Do the speed square like that. Measure it down there. Slap it up against the wall, like that. Then we make our mark from there. And then we measure half of this. You probably see my little dot right there. And that's half of this form. And this is the same as the undermount sink. This comes with the undermount sink. So now that you see that pressed up, now that you see that pressed up right there, we know that that's the desired length from the wall. So now all we gotta do is make sure it's square. So to make sure it's square, guys, we got 4 1/8 here, 4 1/8 there. So this is good right here. This is good. So then we're gonna put the faucet right here. So we're gonna super glue this right here. Halfway exactly. We're gonna super glue that there. See how you can still see the surrounding of it at the top right there? So that's good. So right here, guys, I'm just adding some support underneath it. You always need some support brackets underneath the concrete. That way it doesn't start to bend and sag. But I'm gonna take this one down after it gets hard. I know what y'all want to see. I know what y'all want to see. guys. Come on. Anyways, guys, so what we're gonna do now is you're gonna make sure that you do some screws going in to the backer board. Here, anywhere. Like you don't need to go overhand with it, but you just want to ensure that the cement doesn't slide, because the rebar is for the support. It doesn't really need this rebar, because ain't nobody gonna be stomping and standing on this, but you just have it just because it makes the concrete stronger. But you definitely need to put these in here so when the concrete dries, it grips onto this, and that way it can't slide back and forth. So disclaimer, if you do it this way, it is permanent. It look crazy right now, but this is the exterior of the countertop. This is the frame that I used to take off right there. After this, I'm gonna do the backsplash. I'm gonna do the epoxy, then I'm gonna do the backsplash. But this is hard stuff right here. Once this stuff dries, this is some hard stuff. What's up, viewers? This is the right way to do it. You gotta put that backer board on first. High water area. You don't want no mold, no water damage, so you just throw that up to protect the drywall. Take a good look, my fellas. I can't wait to see this done. I know y'all can't wait too. We can't wait together. So then, guys, we just fished that hole right there through. Just wanted to make sure that it fits, just like we anticipated. We could have gone further back, but that's good. So guys, we just gonna use that tape. Put that tape everywhere. We don't want the epoxy to flow. And now we're gonna start to get the mix. Show the fit. Show the fit. They see the fit.
Combo
They see the
fit.
Chain on, everything.
Combo fit.
Alright, bro. Alright, follow me.
And bit, There you go.
To the back of it, and that is 25 1/4. So we cut this one like this, so we can make it one piece again. So now we have to measure over from here. 25, what was it? 25, one pass, one. So is it 25 and one pass a quarter or one under a quarter?
One pass a quarter.
Are you sure?
You said it's 25, one pass a quarter.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Bro, you killed us.
Oh! work a little better, but it's not perfect.
It ain't perfect, but
Crazy, dang. People in the house is
over. No.
It's just, that's what it's nah.
Oh yeah, guys, real quick. Here goes the blueprints that I had drew out for the kitchen prior to the building of it. Here goes the one where the microwave sits right there. Here goes another one with the microwave right there. Here goes a bird's eye view of everything on the lower level. And here goes right there where the sink goes. And here goes the Rottweiler. Trusser. Okay. I just want y'all to take a good look at the before. Are y'all done looking? No, you're not. Take a couple more seconds. Okay, that's it. There we go, guys. I just want to thank everybody on YouTube for checking out the videos. I'm going to give you guys a full glimpse of everything. Everything is 115% handmade. I'm going to give you guys a full glimpse of this beautiful kitchen. We got the recessed lights. Okay, can I get a okay? I know y'all recognize this guy right here. Then we're gonna get a glimpse of the backsplash. Okay. I'm a narrator. We got the iron rate. Yes, ma'am. Here we go right here, boom, with the outlet. We got that right there. We got the custom made wine cooler, boom, with drawers. We got the recessed lights that she wanted, custom. Let's take a second to appreciate everything you guys are looking at. And then as we go this way right here, we're gonna get a full glimpse of everything for you guys. And then you can't forget about lady soothing and everything. Then we're gonna come over and then we're gonna get that. Boom. Thank you guys. And I'll make sure to put this light in here. Boom. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate you guys. But also, I want to give some words to my future clients or customers. The number one reason why you should purchase something from Backyard Builds is because we're cool. That's the number one reason. Everybody like cool people. But the second reason is we only offer quality, long-lasting furniture fixtures, whether it's entertainment centers, whether it's tables, dressers, kitchen cabinets. Everything is 100% handmade. And we will never, ever disrespect you by building anything out of particle board, by building anything out of Formica. So you truly do get what you pay for. So if you want quality, long-lasting, lifetime warranty furniture or fixtures guaranteed, Backyard Builds is definitely the place to go. But y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching.